Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So, let me paint you a picture. You're in the middle of an important project, then you ask Copilot a simple question and the answer comes back confident, well written, and completely wrong. It's basically frustrating and it destroys your trust in the tool. The truth is, AI chatbots like Copilot don't actually know anything. They are prediction engines that assemble text based on patterns and knowledge. When they lack basically sufficient context or when the prompt is out of nowhere, let's say, it doesn't really tell anything. For example, you ask Copilot, write me a paragraph. For example, you just type it and that's it. You don't give it enough information or whatever. They fill in the gaps with what seems correct, leading to many wrong answers. But the good news is, most of the time inaccurate responses are fixable from the user's end by adjusting your prompts and using Copilot's built-in features. You can drastically reduce the error rate and turn Copilot back into a reliable assistant. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, use the prompt better technique. Since vague prompts lead to vague answers, if you are getting wrong answers, the problem is often that your prompt is the problem. So basically give more details, more infos and all of this. Then you should provide your own source material. Fact check with get code sources. If you are using Microsoft Copilot, the web version, you can make it basically super easy and transparent. Toggle on the get code sources or sourced answers only. Then you can force the search, refresh, adjust the tone or creativity settings, then report the bad answer. And that's quite the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.